Meet Kofi, a bright boy from a village full of mango trees and warm red earth. You'd love to run, play, and laugh with Kofi and his friends all day long. But when evening comes, Kofi feels a shiver. Evening water scares him. During the day, water is fun, but at night, it's cold, dark, and unknown. Every night, Mama calls Kofi to shower, but he hides under his blanket like a turtle. One evening, Mama sits beside him and says, "Water is your friend." But Kofi replies, "Not at night. Night water is scary." Mama smiles and whispers, "Let me show you a secret." They step outside as the moon glows like a silver lantern in the sky. Mama fills a bowl with warm water and places it under the moonlight to shine. See, the moonlight makes water sparkle, not scary, but magic. The water glimmers softly, like stars dancing on a little sky. Kofi whispers, "It looks like the sky," feeling the magic inside. Mama explains, "The moon watches over you, and water carries its light." That warmth in Kofi's chest? That's courage growing stronger inside. He dips his fingers. No cold, no darkness. Just gentle, calm water. That night, Kofi showers with Mama, imagining the moon wrapping him in light. The water sings a lullaby, friendly and calm, easing Kofi's fears away. From then on, Kofi tells his friends, "Night water is magic moon water." Each night, Kofi sleeps clean and cozy, proud of his brave heart.